Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do a 5-minute Friday video with you. It is a journal with me in my regular sized traveler's notebook, and I want to journal about my trip that I did earlier in June. I went back home to Canada and I wanted to journal about that. You'll notice my daughter will be coming in and out of the video. She's just coming to play with me, and I feel like I don't want to edit those bits out because this is what real life is for me anyways. When I journal on my dining room table. I don't have a designated area. I just have a dining room table and my kids play with me right off to the side in the living room, and my daughter likes to come and play. She also likes to come and journal with me as well. So I guess the point is I don't want you to feel discouraged if you have young kids around. I don't want you to feel that you cannot journal or you cannot give yourself 15 minutes out of the day to have a little bit of fun and unwind and de-stress. For me anyways, journaling like this is a stress relief for me, and the actual time that it took to do this journaling spread was about 15 minutes. I've condensed it to 5, but I just feel I just want to encourage you to take out your washi tapes and your stickers and your photos. These photos are not even on photo paper. They're just printed on at home at my home printer and on photo paper, not photo paper, on regular copy paper. So I just want you to feel encouraged to take out what you have and just kind of unwind at the end of the day. But yeah, so I wanted to journal about my time in Canada. I don't know why I was showing you that Kate Spade tag. They had a huge discounted sale at the outlets in Toronto. I forgot the name of it's like a Toronto Premium Outlets or something like that, but it was extremely discounted. I needed a tote bag to carry around larger documents, like a letter-sized documents or like legal-sized documents, and I don't really have a tote bag for that. And yeah, I think the original price was over $300, which is crazy, but it was on sale for I think $70, which is we were trying to do the conversion to Japanese yen, and it was even like more discounted on top of that. It was like 20% off of that. So I jumped on it. Well, I'm in awe about it, and my luckily I was there shopping, and my sister was watching my kids, so I was able to take some time with my husband, and we were talking about it, and he's like, you should get one, you need one for your business, because I don't really have anything. And I was scheduled to go to this huge stationery exhibition, and I didn't have like a business bag or a business tote. And we were talking about it, and he's like, I think you should, get it. It's almost like a necessary item. You can't really bring a backpack to like a business event. So anyways, I ended up getting the tote bag. I used some scrap papers and some ephemera bits from Katrin. She sent me some happy mail, and I took some bits from there. My daughter is there. She's trying to help me out. She likes that placement, so she was showing me that there. And that's also another ephemera, or die cut, sorry, a die cut from Katrin. And yeah, just adding bits and pieces. I also want to say a shout out to Eva. She sent me a whole bunch of little papers and things. Eva and Momo, they've sent me a whole bunch of papers and things with stamped images, and I absolutely love them because I don't have a huge amount of stamps, but I use these paper bits that have these stamped images, and I put them in my journal, and it just adds a little something to the page, and I really, really appreciate that. I use the wide washi, and I end up ripping them into smaller pieces and just kind of adding them here and there. I realize now that I'm editing this, it gets a little bumpy because I guess my daughter was there going up and down on the chair, and I think because of the camera, the tripod was sitting on the table, it kind of vibrates a bit, so I apologize for that. But yeah, you can see it's very, very quick and easy, a 15-minute journaling session, I suppose, after dinner, just kind of to unwind the day, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.